Hello everyone, welcome back to this video. So in this video we'll be seeing about the variables. Okay, actually I have said that the JavaScript is a scripting language as well as a programming language too. So we'll be programming some things in the backend. So JavaScript, don't think that JavaScript only is used for front end. So JavaScript is also used for backend also, using Node.js server uh, to work in the server side. Okay, so we'll be seeing how to manipulate the data, how to store the data, and how to retrieve all kind of things, how to edit the data and how to delete the data. We'll be seeing the operations called CRUD, create, read, update, and delete. These are the main operations which we'll be using in the browser to manipulate our data. Okay, first we'll be seeing a concept called variables. Okay, so variables is a container. That means you have seen the basic math calculations like a equal to 25 and b equal to 25 in like an seventh or fifth to fifth or sixth or seventh sections, like seventh grade. So you'll be seeing like this math operations. Like, so if I plus, like if I save like what is a c equal to a plus b. So you might know what is a plus b, right? So 25. Okay, let's name it as an 50. Okay, let's name it as 20. Okay, reassign as 20. Okay, so now you might know that c contains the value of a equals to b, right? A plus b, that means equals to c equal to a plus b. That means we will be summing the two variable values, 20 plus 50. Okay, a variable contains the value of 20, b variable contains the value of 50. So we will be adding these two things and we will be storing in the variable called c. So this is mean by variable. Variable is known as a container which contains some value, or it might helps us to store some data. Okay, so in JavaScript how we will be representing the variable is, we will be giving the keyword called var to represent our uh, variable. Okay, so now I will be having the value variable name called a. So this is the keyword to say JavaScript that I am having a variable name called a. So that's why I'm giving a keyword called var. Okay, this is a short form of variable. Var a is a variable name. Var a equal to 20. Okay, next uh, var b equal to, I mean this is too small, I think so. So now you will be clear. B equal to 25. Okay, now you might know that what are the I mean what is the output, right? 20 plus 25 is equal to 45, right? So if I click enter, you might see the output doesn't comes because I didn't does any of the operations like subtraction, multiplication, addition. Okay, now I will be making some calculations. Okay, a plus b. Okay, when I click enter, you can see the answer is 25. Okay, so this is the return value. Okay, this is undefined because I didn't show, that means I didn't return any values. So when I give this operation, it returned me a value of 45. This is the magic of JavaScript to give the output whichever we does in a browser. Okay, so now I can store the value, that means I can store the a plus b in a variable called c. Okay, where c equals to a plus b. So this is how we'll be storing our values. Okay, a plus b equal to 45 we know. So a plus b will be stored in c. Okay, if I click enter, that will be undefined because I didn't print anything. So if I type as c, you can see when I click enter, you can see it returned me 45 because C has the value of 45. This can be only done in the browser. It cannot be done in the files, right? So if you write anything in the file, so it will not return anything for you. So in the developer console it will be done using a, interpreter thing. Okay, so this is how we does in JavaScript to store the data and retrieve the data. Okay, uh, we will be seeing how to print in the format of correct format, how to print a variable name or any sort of things in the correct format. Stay tuned for the next video, we will be seeing that also. Okay.